These bad dance make it hurt.
Today we are going to make a very healthy chicken salad. As usual, it's very low on fats and carbs and quite high on protein. Although when we hear the word salad, we tend to think it's very healthy, but usually it's not. Most of the chicken salad that you get in the restaurants are dripping with mayo, oil and all those stuff, which ultimately makes it quite calorie dense and unhealthy. But unlike all those fatty, greasy chicken salad, it's light, refreshing and very healthy. Carbs and fats in this recipe is negligible, but packed with high quality protein from chicken breast and contains a lot of micronutrients from fresh veggies and fruits, which makes it a very ideal option for dinner, as I think for dinner you should always have something high protein and low carb and which contains a lot of fiber so that you stay full throughout the night. First we are going to boil 150 grams of chicken breast. To boil chicken breast, we are going to add salt, pepper and some crushed garlic to 2 to 3 cups of water and let the chicken breast boil for half an hour. It might take a little less or little more time. You can check and adjust accordingly. Now take a mixing bowl and add all your veggies. I used some chopped cabbage, 1 carrot, 1 onion, 1 tomato, 40 grams of yellow sweet corn, 40 grams of green peas. I also used 40 grams of chopped apples and 40 grams of chopped pear. I like putting some fruits into my salad as it provides a subtle sweetness which I absolutely love. You can also use pineapple, which also is a great option. Pineapple in chicken salad is just amazing, but I didn't have any pineapple that day, so I went for the options which are available to me. Now once your chicken has boiled, take it out of the pan and shred it. Use your hand or 2 forks as you wish. I used forks as the chicken was hot and didn't want it to burn my hand. After you are done shredding the chicken breast, put it in your mixing bowl along with the veggies and fruits and keep it aside. Now for the most important part. Yeah, we are going to make the dressing. It is the dressing that makes or breaks a salad. A good salad dressing must contain all the 3 elements. That is, a subtle sweetness, some sourness or acidity, and a bit of bitterness. Moreover, when it comes to chicken salad, I think it's very essential that the dressing must contain a creamy texture to it. But to achieve all those things, restaurants usually use mayo, honey, oil, etc. But these things makes the salad very calorie dense and unhealthy. So to keep it healthy and low on calorie, I use 100 grams of plain dahi, 1 teaspoon of Bengal mustard, also called kashundi, some lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of 0-calorie sweetener, and mixed everything into a beautiful dressing. And yes, I also use 3 cloves of crushed garlic for my dressing. I just love the flavor of garlic in my salad. Now all you need to do is add your dressing along with a pinch of salt and pepper to your mixing bowl and mix. And your super healthy chicken salad is ready. Now if you have a large appetite like me, you can have the entire bowl. It's very low on calories, so it won't make you fat, but it will make you very full. So if you want to refrigerate and save some for the next day, you can absolutely refrigerate it and save some for the next day. What I found out that refrigerating salads overnight just improves the flavor so much more. Okay, so make the recipe and tell me in the comments if you have liked it or not. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.